So how to make your first 100 all the way to $1,000 per day in profit with Google Ads using affiliate marketing. So what is affiliate marketing? If you don't know yet, affiliate marketing is basically promoting other people's products for huge commissions. That's all it is, right? Easy to understand, but you need to have someone to basically guide you through or show you the right steps of how to get the results. So this video is going to be straight to the point. You will learn exactly and discover exactly how you can get results with Google Ads. So let's go straight into it. As you can see over here, right, this is my Instagram where you can find me after watching this video. You can reach out to me, okay? So over here you can see me. You can ask me any questions you want regards to affiliate marketing. So let's go straight into Google Ads. Google Ads and why should you choose basically Google Ads as a beginner? So let's go straight into it, right? What is this? What are the steps? The first step is buying traffic on Google, right? Buying ads, media buying. The second thing is sending people to a landing page, which again cannot be copy and paste page. You see most of gurus on Clickbank or wherever you are buying courses, they make a huge mistake, right? It's something they know, but heck, right? If you're making money, who cares? So the second thing is landing page. Landing page cannot be copy and paste. Why? Again, right? If you remember from my previous videos, Google have their own policy, right? Privacy policy, rules, same like Facebook or TikTok, right? They're banning hard on affiliates who are not listening to the simple descriptions that you can find if you go to Google privacy policy, if you go to the rules and regulations. So the one thing is you need to give value on your landing page or blog, whatever you're having when you're advertising products, right? You need to have real page. You need to look like a product owner, right? Not like an affiliate or scammy affiliate sites. So if you want to do affiliate marketing with Google Ads, keep this in mind, right? So the third step is we are sending people to the offer the product, right? Which should be a proven product, right? With track record and people who are already making money with that product, of course, right? It needs to be a high quality offer, of course. It's not about sending people to the scammy affiliate offers. No, it's about high quality. If you want to have upsells, right? What is upsell? Imagine I buy Apple Watch, right? And then because I like this Apple Watch, I will also buy the new iPhone, right? So that's upsell, right? And if it's a high quality product, you're gonna make more money on the back end as an affiliate. So it's a very, very important thing, right? Providing value and quality. Now, the next thing is, let's go straight into it, right? What I'm teaching, what I'm basically showing you here is, I'm showing you 5 steps, which are, I always dive deep into my avatar, right? Now you don't have to be super specific. You don't have to waste tons of time on copywriting or stuff like that, right? Especially with AI and everything going on right now. You just have to understand who is your audience and what kind of language you are speaking. Now you're gonna think like, what the heck are they talking? What language? You mean Spanish, English, Chinese? No, I'm talking about language of your audience. You see, if you speak to a doctor or a lawyer, they're gonna have their own language, right? Linguistic is different, right? They use different words that are common to them, to that niche, right? If I say Quito, right, to someone, maybe they won't know. If they are, for example, interested in IT, they might not know what is Quito about, right? Especially if they don't care about their health. So you see, language is different. Now the second thing is offer positioning. You have to know how to position your offer. You cannot just go place an ad and expect sales to come in. It does not work like that, right? You need to understand how to position your offer, and I'm showing this to my people all the time. Step 3 is hook generator. What is hook? Hook is something like when you go to fishing, right? The bait, right? The hook. You have to have the right hook for the right audience. Let me give you a simple example. If you are a busy person with lots of money, right? You're earning lots of money. Maybe you are a surgeon. Maybe you are a plastic surgeon, right? You have lots of cash, but you don't have time, right? If I'm trying to sell you a course that's going to teach you how to, I don't know, make money with let's call it, I don't know, playing piano or whatever, right? You won't be interested. Why? Because you don't have time. You want money now, right? You don't want to waste your energy and time grinding, learning, right? You want money now. You want something that's going to secure your future right now at this moment. So you see how different and important it is to understand hooks and your audiences again, right? And step 4 is crafting your story and writing your perfect ad. You see, that's all it is. But lots of people overcomplicate. They don't understand the simple simplicity, right? Simplicity creates clarity, and clarity creates results. Again, simplicity, right? Keep it super simple if you want to have results, right? So how it works? You see, we have to understand audiences. Very important thing, audiences. We have different audiences. And this is how you run Google Ads, Google pay-per-click, or whatever you want to call it, Google PPC, right? Targeting people by keywords on Google when you're doing affiliate marketing. So as you can see over here, right, we have totally unaware, problem aware, solution aware, niche aware, and offer aware. Now depend what stage your audience is at that moment when you're targeting them, it will determine what kind of hook you're gonna put in front of them, what kind of language you're gonna use in your ad copy, and what time or what kind of keywords you're going to use in your Google Ads when you're targeting them, right? Let me give you a simple example. If I'm already offer aware, it means that I know this Apple Watch exists in the market. I know exactly which Apple Watch I want. So I'm gonna go to Google and type in exactly the type of watch I want. And your ad, my friend, your ad is going to appear in front of my eyes right now as I'm typing into the Google search. Why? Because you place it in front of me with the right value proposition, right? Unique mechanism, and also what? The right keyword, of course, buyer's keyword. So that's what it takes to get results. And lots of people mess this up, right? They think they're gonna buy courses from some Clickbank millionaire guru and it's gonna make them rich, which doesn't really work well, because you have to understand, right? Affiliate marketing, it's a long-term game. It's sustainable profits every single month. Yeah, you can make quick money, but the most important thing is you need to take it seriously, right? It's a long-term if you wanna make a consistent and scalable income. Now, once you understand that, right, you will be able to position your message correctly in front of your right targeted audience of people. Very important thing. So over here you can see how we are doing it. We are doing it by search network. So we are excluding display network, right? We only want people who are looking for the keywords, right? Who are searching for that by typing into the Google search, for example, how to get rid of my back pain, how to lose weight before summer, if I'm woman over 45 years old, for example, or if I have diabetes, cancer, whatever disease, right? And your ad is going to appear in front of my eyes as I'm looking for the solutions to my pain and problems. You see, that's all it takes. Simple, easy, but you have someone to guide you through step by step, so you don't have to procrastinate. And I think, do you agree? Do you agree as you're watching this video right now, right? As you're sitting watching this video right now, doing whatever you're doing, do you agree with me that it's much more helpful if you're on the minefield? There is lots of mines right in the ground. That it's much more smarter and faster to get across the minefield if you have someone to guide you through who knows where the mines are. So you don't have to step on the mine and blow your head off, right? Or blow your legs off, right? Do you agree? I guess you agree with me. So this is what I'm talking to you about, right? You need to have someone to guide you through step by step along the way, show you the ropes, handhold you along the way, right? One-on-one, so that you can get the results you desire with affiliate marketing using Google Ads. So what to next? If you're watching this video and if you want to have results with affiliate marketing, with Clickbank, high ticket or low ticket offers, you can contact me one-on-one. So after watching this video, you can reach me on my Instagram, Facebook, you can WhatsApp me, email me. All the links are below this video in the description below. So you can reach me out, as I showed you before, over here, right? Also on my Instagram, you can find me over here. You can reach out and ask me any questions you want regards to Google Ads, regards to affiliate marketing and making passive income online. Again, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips.